Hi friends, today, we learned how to create a drive partition. Let us start. Click Start and search Computer Management. So you will see a window like this. Click on Disk Management. Right-click on your respective disk, right-click on it. So click on Shrink Volume. Here you will find 4 box values. 1. The first value represents its total size before shrink, in MB. 2. In the second one you see the maximum size that you can shrink, in MB. 3. Now as per your requirement enter the size of how much you want to shrink, in MB. 4. The fourth automatically calculates and tells you the total size after shrink, in MB. Now click Shrink. So you will find unallocated memory. Right-click on it. So click on the new simple volume. Click Next, 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 Finish. Finally, you have created a drive partition. If you like my content, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to comment below. See you in the next video.